Good morning, everyone. It is 6:15 in the morning. Our bus is supposed to be here in about 5 minutes to pick us up for our day trip to go and see some more of Maui. Today we're going to go and check out the volcanoes. They are pretty awesome. I have seen them before, but that was a long time ago, so I'm sure they haven't changed much, but I thought we'd go and see them again. Hurricane update. So as you can see, we're now under a tropical storm warning, which means we are going to get hit in about 24 hours. So I'm not here all day today. I spoke to reception last night, and apparently they will come round, or their maintenance people will come round and move anything that can get blown around out of the way, like that stuff, for example. So that won't be there tomorrow, or tomorrow, because we're supposed to get hit tomorrow. Anyway, today the weather's supposed to be good, so let's go check out some volcanoes and get this day started. case you're wondering, Olivia, the tropical storm, is coming from somewhere in that direction, I think, and it's supposed to get here tomorrow night. They're closing the back country to camping from 3 o'clock tomorrow, and they're in the process of deciding whether or not they're going to close the entire park, which they think they're going to. But yeah, as views go, this isn't bad.
Turn back, I see rivers beyond the line, ancient roads in broken design, angels running through our minds. Look out, your city's built on marble floors, neon lights in the falling snow. Spring would lie in summer showers, and my hair were winter flowers. And weeks went by but felt like hours, seasons multiplying power that I found in winter flowers.
I have returned back to the hotel hotel. That was a very nice day trip. Got to see the volcanoes, and they were very, very cool. On my return, I have found this memo telling me that apparently there's going to be a hurricane, or at least a tropical storm, and what to do. They are going to come and take the table and chairs away, either later tonight or tomorrow. And they also brought me this glow stick, because apparently tropical storms don't like glow sticks, so I don't know, what do you do? Go outside and wave this at it? I'm assuming it's in case the power goes out overnight, but I have got my 2 spare battery packs which will last for about a day, and obviously the torch on my phone, so I'm not too worried about light. Anyway, I'm going to chill out and relax, then I will go out at 6 to watch the sunset. We won't make the same mistake we did yesterday, and then we'll go and find some dinner.
In the end, time forever favors the young, and we say this has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young.
Didn't even really wanna go, but if you get
Well, it is the next day. I forgot to say goodnight last night. So far this morning it has rained. Spoilers for the next video. And it's a little bit windy, but not too bad just yet. But on tomorrow's video, it is tropical storm day. So we will see what happens. Anyway, I will say goodnight. I will see you in the morning. Good night.